Hale. Nice to see you from this angle. I thought we could explore what a full body yawn looks like. So if you bring yourself into lying down, oh, I can feel a yawn arising already. Oh, it's been a long day. So you bring yourself into lying. Imagine that you're waking up in the morning and you're halfway between sleeping and waking. And your body starts to organically move and reach, roll, yawn, stretch if that's the thing that feels good. And see what it's like now to follow that flow, to follow this whole full body yawn in whatever movement feels good, as if you're unwinding, releasing, folding, unfolding, furling, unfurling. However that manifests in your body, did you find a yawning through your tissues? And could it be pleasurable, enjoyable, and a real blessing in your day? Enjoy your yawning. I'm off to sleep.